Magsasalita yan.
Oo.
Larasoa Kamasa, Racing Bird, Taco. Taco is our Vulcan Takatu, Fast and Takatu our safety. These birds can be found in Eastern Indonesia and the largest among the one Takatu. There you go, the floor is excited. Around the first bird Taco, we train our baby.
Narinig ka ako ah.
Hello everyone and welcome to a new open park. Also, we're drawing with Trainer G. Now,
Ang lalaking parot, no?
They will remain short partners for life. They will not be right, but as any couple or best team of the legit, they'll always be battle. Meet Sassy and Rocky, our big pair of winning a ball, and today, they will battle it out to choose the best in the basketball game. But the worst kind battle will divide you, each to you. So the guys will cheer for Sassy, youngers, let's hear it here. Sassy, Sassy. And now about the boys. So the guys will cheer for Rocky, no boys. Let's hear it here. Rocky, Rocky. Alright, so we're ready. Trainer ready, set, go. Here comes Rocky for the first ball, followed by Sassy. And second over Rocky. And it's a tie. And for the last one, who's gonna win? And Rocky will win. Trainer Shell, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time. Hold it, we want another race. Oh, she wants another race. Trainer first?
Are you sure about that? Did you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time I guarantee you that Sassy and I will win.
So, what race do you have in mind?
I want the ring race. And what is ring race? The first bird who can drop ratings into the pole, the fastest is the winner. And that is the ring race. So, the ring race is so big. Remember guys, boys have already 1 point. And girls, come
lumalamig
on.
na.
Let's get Sassy to win this time. And zero to the this time, our ring race. Ready, set, go!
Rocky!
Here comes Rocky for the first ring. Okay, it's coming. Sassy,
Kinuha lahat eh.
and the winner is Sassy.
Kinuha lahat eh.
What can you say about that? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, he cheated. No, we didn't cheat. Sassy just used her brain. Oh, it's true. That girls are more intelligent than boys. Around the clock for Sassy and Rocky with Trainer Shell and Trainer Girls. Parrots are particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to answer skills and not get bored. So here is Sassy once again. Sassy is going to show us how intelligent he is by putting the face drop into the correct slot. Just like Sassy, greeting mga are from South America and the gentle giant of
Galing niya, no? Parang robot lang maglakad, no?
They're the second largest next to the highest fish moss. They can grow to 92 centimeter length and can live up to 8 years old. Some name is Sarah. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, soap, minerals along the river bank. Stand for the last three. Let's go Sassy girl. And there you go. Let's get right. Round of applause for Sassy with Trainer Shell. Now guys, who loves math? Everyone is so tradition, right? Well, this next part of the program will lead people from the ring. Even as trainers, do you think birds can do math? But before knowing what virtual wizard, I'll be giving 2 numbers between 1 to 15. So any numbers between 1 to 15? What number? 1. Okay. So the first number is number 8. So what's the second number?
10!
Higher.
48! 13!
Okay, so number is number 11. So that question is 8 plus 11. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve this equation. But first, trainer Jerry will show the numbers. Now let's call our high big more close Rocky. Okay, trainer first is Rocky. Come on, Rocky, solve the equation for us. And Rocky, that's number correct. So what's the second number?
Ate.
Well, the Rocky loves numbers. I think Rocky is calculating. Come on, Rocky. And he knows the answer. And he gets the number 9. So, 8 plus 11 is equal to 19. Now, the applause for Rocky. We trainer first. Now, the club seen our colorful and intelligent parrot. We would like to introduce you another 6 birds here in Manila Park. Birds of prey, also known as raptors, hunt and feed by other animals. The term raptors came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to make by force. These birds are characterized by their vision that allows them to detect prey during flight, and also a powerful talons and beaks. Ladies and gentlemen, please look to your left, presenting our brownie card. Here comes Shadow. Brownie card takes the known as Halios to Lily. One of the hundred
Eh, dyan, igil oh.
Bring around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Ireland, China, including the United States.
Pumunta sa iba.
And that
Ayun niya.
we have our holy pigeon. Holy pigeon contact only capability, meaning those in the return to nest and mate. How about our logo for rockers and our holy pigeon?
Wow!
Here in Manila Park, we believe that there is hope. We are trying to capacity, but also in the land and there as well. Now guys, who knows the pillar? If they do say use them, recite them with a good reference. And then we go on how the proper way is water.
Ayan, pumunta yung eagle. Baka lumipad.
If our lovers can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope that you enjoyed our show. Another spectacular. Well, in our way, no matter how small the effort, let's take action. Taking them from exploitation and human extinction. Please, let's all do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only hope we've got. Now, let me present you the original trainers who made this show possible. Trainers now with Dr.
Ayaw talaga niya
Trainer
pumunta.
first with Rocky. Trainer Johnny with Chaco.
Doon pumupunta yung ano eh.
Trainer Jay with Shadow. And Trainer Vina with the foaming pigeon. And once again, Trainer June again. Goodbye. By the way, guys, please have a seat because this is the Sinan Show. Thank you.
Anong ginawa nun, mahal? Anong ginawa nun?
Ah,
Yun o.
ano ano?
Yun o, yung parrot na yun.
Lipat.